This video will explain how to configure ProjectSchema so that your SOLIDWORKS assembly will appear as a MindManager mind map. You will configure to give your processed mind maps meaning and to take full advantage of the filtering and searching power of MindManager. You can choose to configure SOLIDWORKS custom properties to appear as icons on the mind map. In MindManager, the equivalent to custom properties are called tags, and these can also be configured. Assembly nodes are where you visually configure the look of your MindManager topics by color and shape. You can then easily see what is an assembly, a part, a drawing, and unknown. Unknown node refers to broken links in SOLIDWORKS, and this can be used as a useful diagnostic tool. A separate topic is task information, which is the information MindManager uses to construct the Gantt chart view. For example, you can assign a priority to your topics. Suppressed parts will allow you to color the topics to match the suppression state in your SOLIDWORKS files. Going through this again in more detail, you can configure standard MindManager icons, which are flags, arrows, smileys, and single icons. Here you choose a SOLIDWORKS custom property such as author, which you may want to configure to appear as a particularly colored flag. You then choose which initials to use, or you can type in a custom value. Under the Choose Icon column, select the icon that you want to use. Afterwards, press the Apply button. With that finished, let's configure tags. While in SOLIDWORKS they are called custom properties, the equivalent in MindManager are called tags. Let's choose a very common custom property called description and configure a tag also called description. Press the Add button to enter a new one. The names don't have to be the same. For instance, the custom property make can be configured as a tag called manufacturer if it has more meaning to you. The reason for assembly nodes is so that you can clearly see the difference between assembly, part, drawing, and unknown topics on a very busy mind map. For instance, we can configure the color and shape of a part topic. For this all to work properly, you want to check Include in Map. By including specific task information properties, you can use the mind map as a project management and planning tool. Choose a corresponding priority custom property and then fill out the matching numbers in the value column. Progress designates the percentage completion of a particular task, while resources is where you assign a particular designer to various tasks in your SOLIDWORKS project. It is necessary to include start date and end date custom properties so that you can generate Gantt charts. Save the configuration file so you can reuse it and distribute it to others in your organization who also use ProjectSchema.